Hey guys, what's up? It's Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Colourpop. I just wanted to wear this in a video. These are the new Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation, and I just wanted to try it out for you guys. And I decided, like, why not just do a full face of Colourpop? So that's what I did. This is actually the second time I filmed this video because the first time I filmed it, I just didn't like how it turned out. My lighting was so bad and my microphone was just like going crazy. And also I just forgot to highlight my inner corners, and I just looked like a mess, so I just deleted it, and I'm right here filming it again. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit that thumbs up button. So if you guys want to see me do a full face of Colourpop, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to move through this as quick as possible because my mom is picking me up in like an hour and a half, and I just gotta gotta get this going, okay? Alright, so I'm going to start with my eyes, and since Colourpop doesn't have an eye primer, I'm just going to use their No Filter Concealer, which I use concealer for eyeshadow primer every day anyway, so it's okay. It's not gonna make it like any difference. So I'm just going to just apply this on my eyelids. Bailame como si fuera la última vez. I think a bit too much. I'm just blending this out with a makeup sponge. Alright, so next I want to set my eyelids with a translucent powder, so I'm just going to use the Colourpop, what's this called? No Filter Setting Powder. And I'm just going to grab it in this big fluffy brush and just set my concealer with this. Sorry if I keep looking like this way, it's because I have my mirror right here. I need a different setup where my mirror is in front of me, but my mirror is right here, like on the side, so sorry if I keep like turning this way. Alright, for eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Good Sport palette, and I just chose this palette because if this palette doesn't scream fall to you, then I don't know what does. Like, it's just so beautiful. Alright, so as you can see, I finished the other eye off camera just to see what was in my mind, and I pretty much did it. I just need to put on some mascara and some lashes, but I'm going to do it when I finish this eye. So first, I'm going to go in with the shade Sista right here. Wait, I forgot. I'm going to put tape just to give this like a more sharp look, and also because I don't know how to do eyeliner, so that the tape helps me. Alright, so now I'm going in with this shade Sista, and I'm just packing it on my brush a lot. I'm not even like tapping up the excess, and I'm going to focus it right here, basically on like all over my lid, just not going too high because I'm going to blend it in with another shade. I zoom you guys a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Look at my hair, you got things on my back. Alright, next up, I'm grabbing the shade Hooky right here on this Morphe M441. It's like a more fluffy brush than the first one I used, and I'm just going to bring this, basically do the same thing but blending a little bit more and just higher than that purple. Alright, at this point I feel like that purple shade went away, so I'm going to grab some more, and I'm going to put this like here on like the hole of my eye, like the crease, but I wear it like right here, and just blend it back and forth right in there. That brings the purple back. And then going back to Hooky and just blend it in some more. This look like it just needs a lot of blending, just going back and forth with the shades. I always do my eyes first, but just a tape, just this look when if you're going to do it, just do your eyes first, even if you don't usually do that, because just packing the shadows and not tapping them up, like it causes fallout and you don't want it to ruin your concealer or your foundation. But with this you can just take the tape off and just wipe the excess, the fallout away. So a little tip. And now I'm going in with the Colourpop Not Filtered concealer, and I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm not going to do a cut crease or anything. I'm just carving out to clean it up so the shade I'm doing pops a little bit more, but it's not like a full cut crease. So my eyes are like a little bit hooded, so I just look up a little bit, and that's where I need to stop, even though that's a little bit too much, but it's okay. Like that's where I'm going to stop carving, like right there. This is just so you don't put that shadow too low, and then when you open your eyes it disappears, so just a little bit higher so the shadow pops. Now I'm just going to go in with my finger in to the shade Rookie right here. I'm just going to put it on my lid. Alright, next up I'm going to go back in with that purple shade Sista, and I'm just going to put it right here on my outer corners, just to blend that lid shade with my outer corner and it doesn't look too sharp. Now I'm going to grab the shade Wild Out right here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. So pretty. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Creme Gel color and the shade Swear. Mine is a little old and a little bit dry, but it's okay, I'm going to work with it. This eyeliner, I love it. It's super black and it's really good. It's just mine's a little bit old and dry, so I'm just going to struggle a little bit. Besides, I'm not good at making wings, so let's see how this is gonna work. That's as good as I'm gonna get with eyeliner, so I'm just going to move on to my face. Alright, so Colourpop doesn't have a mascara or lashes, so I just put some mascara and some lashes off camera. And now we're going to move on to the face. Where's my primer? Alright, for primer, I'm going to be using the All Star Matte and Blur primer. I usually go for a more dewy and hydrating primer, but this like matte primer, it's like it doesn't feel matte. It actually feels like a sticky moisturizer. I don't know how to explain it. It definitely gives you like a bit of a matte look, but not too matte, more like the satin. Next up, for the exciting part, I'm going to be using these bad boys right here, or only one of them actually, because one of the shades I got, well, both of them are too dark, but this one I can work with. I'm going to go in with the shade Medium 81N. I'm just going to draw this on my face. I can never match. I wanna say something. This, I'm not here for the smell of this. Like, I don't know. It smells weird, honestly. I don't like the smell of it. I'm not here for it. But it does go away. Like, it doesn't stay throughout the time you wear your makeup. It goes away once it's blended out. I'm going to blend this with a Morphe Y6. I liked how this foundation blended better with a brush. It's just hard to blend it with a beauty blender or like a beauty sponge. So I prefer a brush, it's easier. I hope you guys can see that on camera, but I have more mustache than my boyfriend right now. Actually, this color matches me pretty well. Not the most accurate, but it works. It looks a little bit green for me. Alright, now I'm just going to use the same concealer I used on my eyelids. And by the way, mine is in the shade Light Tan. And I am going to say that I do like this concealer. I love it actually, but I don't like it paired with this foundation. It's just a little bit harder to blend on top of this foundation. But I like it. At the end of the day, it looks nice. I'm going back into the eyes and I'm going to mix the shade Hooky here, and I'm just going to blend it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Sista, and this one I'm just going to focus it on my outer corner. And then to finish with the eyes, I'm going to go back with the shade Wild Out and highlight my inner corners with that shade. Beautiful. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to put this cream gel liner in the shade Mr. Bing on my waterline. Alright, now going back to the face, I'm going to grab the Colourpop Private Party Press Bronzer. And where's my brush? And I'm just going to put this on the hollows of my cheeks. Basically everywhere. The hollows of my cheeks, and my forehead, my jaw, my nose. This bronzer is so pretty. It has like this beautiful, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it has like that beautiful sheen to it, and it's just so pretty. And it's like the perfect undertone. It's not too cool or it looks like ashy, and it's not too warm or it looks orange. It's just the perfect, like right there. For blush, I'm going in with the Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flushed. I just tapped my eye. Now, moving on to highlight, I'm going to use my Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp. And I was going to use my Flexitarian one, which is my favorite one, but I think that's too light for me right now. So I'm going to use this one, which is also beautiful. It's just a little deeper, like a golden I'm going to use the Colourpop F5 brush. I forgot to set my eyebrows. This video is all over the place. I forgot everything, but I forgot to set my eyebrows, so I'm just going to use the Colourpop Brow Buzz Gel, and this is like my favorite gel that I use every day. Shout out to V for hooking me up with this because she gave me this, and now I love it, and I just cut my hair. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I have a video up on my channel, so go check it out. Right now I want like everything to just melt down on my skin, so I'm just going to use the All Star Face Setting Spray. I'm gonna shake this. Last but not least, to finish up the look, I'm going to use the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop What's Your Sign? Why did it just open? What's Your Sign lipstick. And I love this color. I use it like so much. It's just the perfect everyday nude. I just love it a lot. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really like this look. I really liked how it turned out at the end. In the beginning I was like a little bit scared, but when it finished up like on my face, I really loved it. The foundation, I really like it. It's a little bit hard to blend at the beginning, but when you like warm it up and get used to it, it's just really easy. I prefer to blend it with a brush. I prefer to blend it with a brush rather than a beauty blender, because with the beauty blender you just really have to get in there, so I just with the brush is easier and it looks more flawless. If you like had an eye on it and you want to get it, I say go ahead, try it out. It's $10. It's pretty cheap and it's pretty good quality. I just say go ahead and try it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you are looking to purchase some of this Colourpop goodies, or if you love Colourpop. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to join the channel, and also make sure to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button just to be notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao!